Hi, I'm Dr. Bhumika Batra, a founder of EdBhumi Ground for Education. Today, I came up with a third video on roles of variables in research. I'm getting a lot of queries on types of variable like what is the difference between mediator and moderator? Does mediator and control variables are same? So, this video is answer to all those questions. Everyone knows about and might be came across with only two variables which are dependent variable and independent variable. So independent variable are the ones which can be changed at any point of time. For example, independent variables, or in other words I could say independent variables are the one which varies. Okay, and dependent variable are the ones which will not change over the period of time and remains constant. Okay, so the dependent variable are the ones which remain constant and they depends upon the independent variable. Like for example, social media influences buying behavior. Perceived organization behavior impacts relational silence of employees. So, social media influences buying behavior. Perceived organizational behavior impacts relational silence of employees. So, here the research is on the buying behavior to understand what is the buying behavior of the customers. So this buying behavior will remain constant throughout the research. It will not change. What change here is the social media, right? There are different forms of social media which is going to change and through which we can check the impact on buying behavior. So in this case, this buying behavior is acting as a dependent and social media is acting as an independent variable. Similarly, the next example is perceived organization behavior influences relational silence. So the research is conducted to understand the employee silence. So relational silence is one of the factors to measure the employee silence. So this employee silence is not changing anywhere. So this will act as a dependent, and what is changing here is the perceived organization behavior. So it will act as a independent variable. One more example if I could give is corporate governance influences firm performance. So if you know, there are multiple parameters to measure the corporate governance like board size, board meeting, audit size, audit committee, and these are the parameters. Now, are they both sides are influencing firm profitability? How we measure firm profitability? For example, we are taking ROE as a measure to calculate the firm performance. So, does board size influences ROE? Does board meeting influences, and so on? So what are changing here is the corporate governance mechanisms. So it will act as an independent, whereas this ROI remains constant because the research is based on the ROE only to measure the ROE, the firm performance. So this will act as a dependent variable. Okay, so this dependent and independent is very clear, I guess, and common to understand. Let's walk to the mediator now. Mediator. By the name itself, it's clear. It means a middleman. It acts as a middleman. Okay. So, for example, I'll explain this. What is this mediator all about with an example? For example, there is a workforce diversity. Does workforce diversity influences organization success? Yes, that is true. Okay. But do you think workforce diversity simply come to the picture and influences? Like there must be some doings of workforce which increasing the organization's success. Here I mean is, by the doing is, maybe the workforce diversity is creative. Okay, maybe the workforce diversity is creative here. So therefore the organizational success is there. It leads to organizational success. So here the variable which explains the relationship, this act as a mediator. In a simple terms, if I'll tell you what is mediator, the variable which explains the relationship, I'll write it, is a variable which explains a relationship or a reason behind its influence. Which influence? The independent to dependent influence is the mediator variable. I hope this mediator variable is clear. The workforce diversity alone cannot lead to the organization's success. Okay, so what here creativity is doing? It is act as a middleman, or it acts as a reason, being a reason between the workforce diversity and the organization success. So creative is the mediator. I hope this mediation information is clearer to you. Okay, now coming to the picture is the moderator, which is another type of variable. First, I'll explain you with an example. We were doing on workforce diversity, which is creative in nature. Due to its creativeness, it leads to organization success. So till here it is clear which are the dependent, independent and mediator here. Now, how the work without the managerial expertise, how workforce can and creativity can be stronger. You're getting my point? If without the managerial expertise, how this workforce diversity will be creative in nature, whether it will be higher managerial expertise or a lower managerial expertise. So now it depends upon the managerial expertise also, that what type of this managerial expertise, whether it's a high level or lower level, through which it can be said that workforce diversity is stronger or weaker. So now, if I'll explain you the meaning of this moderator, it is a variable which acts upon the relationship of dependent and independent variable. So here what we studied, the workforce diversity is creative in nature, which is why there is a organizational success. But how this workforce diversity will be creative? The magnitude, the strength I am talking about. Because of the managerial expertise, the magnitude will depend. So if there is a higher managerial expertise, so the creativity will be stronger. If there is a lower managerial expertise, then the relationship between the workforce diversity is weaker with the organization success. Therefore, we wrote that it is a variable which acts upon the relationship of dependent and independent. Or in a very simple terms, if I'll explain you, moderator variables affects the magnitude of the relationship or strength of the relationship. So actually the work of moderator here is to explain the magnitude, to justify the strength of what kind of relation does a dependent and independent variable has. So that's the role of a moderator variable. It will either strengthening or weakening the relationship. Anything it can do, whether it's strengthening or weakening. So how can you conclude that whether the relationship is more or less? Because of this moderator. In this example, because of this managerial expertise. I hope the concept of moderator is clearer to you now. The last type of variable is the control variable. Now, what is this control variable? These kind of variable are not a part of research or objective at times. Some people also write controlling the effect of, because every people have a different writing style. But in actual terms, this control variable are not the part of it at times, but it cannot be overlooked. But it can't be overlooked. What does that mean? You cannot ignore the control variables. No matter if you are including them, you are writing them in your research or not, but you cannot overlook it. For example, a very simple example, if I say sunlight affects plant growth. Okay, this is the sunlight. It affects plant's growth. That is okay. But without the water, soil, temperature, how it will affect the plant growth? Are you getting my point? Without the water, without the soil, without the temperature, how the sunlight can affect the plant growth? Right? So this water, soil and temperature acts as a control variable. Or if I come back to the previous example only, the workforce diversity. The workforce diversity is creative in nature, therefore leads to organization success. But do you think only this creativity depends upon the organization success? The one point is okay, yes, we are saying that because the diversity is creative in nature, therefore there is the organization success. But don't you think the organization success also depends upon firm size, also depends upon firm age, also depends upon ROE or XYZ, any example. So this firm size, firm age, ROE, that is profitability, they are acting as a control variable. Okay, so the control variable cannot overlooked. Though you are not including or including, it's upon your choice, but they cannot overlooked in your study. I hope this information is relevant to you and use the relevant examples to help you to understand the concept of each type of variable. If you wish to know more about these variables, do enroll for the research methodology course. Visit www.edbhumi.com. Check the demonstration and reviews, then make a wise decision. I will be see you soon with the next video. Bye.